Welcome. In front of me is OPPO A5m, and in this video I will show you what to do if your Wi-Fi isn't working on your phone. So the easiest thing to do is toggle Wi-Fi on and off. So swipe down the first settings, then toggle your Wi-Fi off, wait a while, toggle it on. Make sure that you're not using an airplane mode. You can also check it right here. Make sure it's colored white. Okay, and if this didn't help, you can go to the settings, then select Wi-Fi, then select your Wi-Fi network, press forget, remove, and then try to reconnect it to it once again. Input the password, and if it still doesn't help, then maybe you should try restarting your phone, and if restarting your phone doesn't help, then try restarting your router. Also make sure that the Wi-Fi works on other devices. Hold down the power button with volume up key, then select restart and wait until your device is rebooted. And after restarting your phone, check if your Wi-Fi started working. Usually it takes some time for the Wi-Fi for your phone to connect to the Wi-Fi. And if this didn't help too, then you should check if your phone is up to date. To do that, go to settings, then scroll down to system and update, software update, check for updates, and if you find any, take your time to download and install the updates and check if the Wi-Fi works afterwards. And if it doesn't, the last option is to go to backup and reset settings in system settings. Select reset phone and then select reset network and Bluetooth settings right here. Click reset. Okay, and once the network reset is completed, go back to Wi-Fi settings, select your Wi-Fi network, and let me enter the password once again. Press save, let your phone connect to the Wi-Fi, and after that your device should be able to connect to the network. But in case it still doesn't, then it sounds more like a hardware problem or hardware issue on your device. So you'd better take your device to the nearest repair center, or maybe contact OPPO customer support service and tell them about your issue, and maybe they suggest you to do something else, or maybe you have a warranty still active for your phone. So yeah, but for this video, unfortunately, if this video didn't help you, this will be all the advices. I really hope that they helped you, and if they did, consider subscribing to our channel, leave us a like and a comment below, and I'll see you in the next one.